Well, there are two sets of keys. They're called Kirk keys. And this key won't come out. You have to push this breaker down, rotate that key to lock off the main. So now we know that we're not going to push anything back to the utility. We're going to open this first. So in the normal if we were dead right now, I'd just push this off. I would turn this key and I'll pull it out. After, like I said, after it turns a half turn, it'll let me have it. I come over here and I push it into this red one. Red goes to red. Okay, put it in there, and I release this one, so then this key will work. And then I take and I basically turn the solar off, so we don't push power into the solar system. It'll blow it up. So we turn that. It'll give us this key out. This key will stay trapped. We stick it in here. We open this up and we shut that in. So basically that will allow the generator to feed this area. Same thing when we go back. It's just the keys only allow you to operate it in the certain sequence. It won't let you have it, the key out. If you get frustrated, don't pull the bolts off, don't pull the hardware off, don't defeat any of this. You will cause all kinds of trouble. It'll be a real bad situation. So, if you need any assistance with it, call. We have 24-hour support. If you got it on your own, do it on your own. Pretty straightforward.
We had a procedure of soft, what do we call it? Soft stop, start, because we kept having problems when we would go back and forth with power.
Yep.
So we were shutting down components to it,
yes,
and then vice versa.
Yes.
Just to avoid anything from the glycol system to the boilers. We've had almost every piece of equipment's had electrical flux or whatever you want to call it issues.
In rush, yeah. Okay. So really smart way to do it. So it's called load shedding.
Shedding?
So, yeah, we're going to shed the load. So any of these breakers, we just open them. The means they all go the opposite way. We're just going to turn them into the off position. They're all in the on position. And then you're going to close that generator, close it all the way to here, and then you can start bringing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And just go down the line until the system comes back online. What it does is that generator can't take that initial load all at once, but it can do it. It can stage it.
Step them down.
Yeah. So as long as you do it, just like you said, in a soft start. It's really in the soft start is the problems. And you don't ever want that thing to run out of fuel, because if it runs out of fuel, then it does that adverse effect of cycling the power down, and then it doesn't have 480. It just keeps going lower, and everything just gets really confused and gets a bunch of faults into the system. So we want to keep that from happening. So we'll call and we'll get this